What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to customize your ribbon, your tab, and also your quick access toolbar. Right. So if you look at my tab, you will notice that I've created two custom tab, Excel tab and my tab. So I'm going to show you how to customize, how to add your own, custom tab to the tab list, and also how to remove it if you don't want it, and as well as your quick access toolbar. So first of all, the quickest way to go about this now, we have two ways to go about this. The first one is you come to your file, you go to your options, and you get this. Now the other way is just to right click and you come to customize the ribbon. And so I want to now I want to take my tab away, and as well as Excel tab away. So I'm going to uncheck Excel tab and I'm going to uncheck my tab. Right now, that that is just the way to go about if you want to remove any of the tab from the tab list. So even though you didn't create that tab, for example, I can remove the view tab if I want. So then when you are done, you click your OK. But now I want to add to it, right? So what do? The first thing we need to do is create a new tab. Come to the new tab, and automatically it comes with a new group, because there's no way you create a tab and it won't have a group. So for example, the group name for these buttons is the function library. So if you come to your home, okay, it won't let me go, but at least you get the idea. So the group name for this particular group is the defined names, so on and so forth. So I'm going to rename this to something reasonable. Let's say my used or my tab buttons, whatever. Right, so now that's the name for our new tab. So we are going to rename our group to something, let's say just anything, don't mind what I'm doing, just I'm just giving an example. So I'm going to add to this group. So I'm going to add format cells, delete cells, custom sort, macros. Now assuming these are the tools I'm looking for, these are the commonly used tools that I need, right? So I'm going to add them to the group. Now I'm going to create another group. I also say new group. I'm going to come under my tab buttons, right? So I'm going to rename this, let's say my group 2, something like that. I'm going to add to it. Now assuming you don't have, you can't find the particular tools you're looking for, you can come to all commands, right? I'm going to bring this up so you can search for the particular tools you are looking for. So I'm going to add. I think that's enough. So I'm going to click OK, and voila, we have my tab buttons here, and you can see the group. So the group name for this txt, the group name for this my group 2. So now how do you customize your quick access toolbar? You come to, assuming you don't have what you're looking for here, right? You come to more commands and it's going to pop up the options. So you come to, okay, it's already in quick access toolbar, so you can get the particular tools you're looking for, or you can remove, if you don't want any, you can, let's say I want to remove this, just remove any of this. Now so you can add to it, and like I said, you can come to what you don't have in this particular pin and add to to what you're looking for. So that's just basically it about. Now if you come to this place, you see import and export, so you can export your tools right here to another computer, like where it says here. So you can also reset to the default tools that were here when you installed Microsoft Excel. So that was just it about customizing your quick access toolbar and your